In this video, I will show you exactly how you can start making $10,000 a month with AI generated videos. This channel is called Monster here. Their videos are a great example of what not to do when starting out with an AI generated channel. First of all, it's content from other people's channels. So you don't want to get this kind of content. You actually want to do AI. Everything works for you. So I'm going to show you a profitable channel which has made a lot of profit these months, because you see it's a channel called AI Network. So not only are they producing videos with AI, but there's also doing content about AI, and YouTube is paying $45 per 1,000 views for these videos. Whereas the last channel I showed you is making about $1 per 1,000 views, and that's because AI companies have a lot of ads on YouTube now, and they are in front of people who watch channels like this instead of TikTok compilation videos. Maybe an 8 or 10 years old is watching, doesn't have access to credit or capital, and isn't interested in spending money on AI. A great channel for AI network modeling is here. Now I'll show you exactly how to get started step by step without editing footage or scripting any of the video. First, I want to show you Social Blade. That is a good guess of how much this channel is making. As you can see, it says they are making $8,600 and $100 to $700 a year, which is actually very wrong. If you have over the little question mark, it shows that the difficult estimated CPM range, or how much they earn per 1,000 views, is based on CPM, and we know that this channel earn more than $45 per 1,000 views. That's because I asked the biggest YouTube experts in the world, and I know this channel is growing. You can multiply that by 10 and it gives us a more accurate estimate of what they are making. They earn more than 100,000 per month or $1 million per year from this brand new channel. So as you can see, if they only make $10,000 now, you can enter it. It means that is still a lot of money. And what do you do with an extra $10,000? I want you to comment below. Let's go ahead and start with details, step-by-step strategies on how to create a channel just like this. Go to this channel and choose a very viral video for the model. Now we're not trying to reinvent the wheel. We're trying to reinvent what already worked on YouTube that runs the algorithms well. So what I'll do is I'll go to the last video and look past 3 weeks, 4 weeks of video. Here, for example, we choose this video that was uploaded 3 weeks ago. As you can see, this video has received $558,000 views in 3 weeks. So we click on this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the 3 dots, and then we're going to show transcribed, and it's going to show the entire transcript. Take this transcript and we're going to plug it into an AI software that will transcribe it for us without copyright, so we can use it for our video. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy this and then we put it into a rewriting AI tool called Quillbot. So as you can see, I paste it here, press the refresh button and sends me a brand new script. So you can see all the orange words. So if you want, you can change these words or you can leave it as it is. So what we can do now is obviously we have a complete script. In this part, we want to voice our script. You can hire someone to read the script for you, but you can also do it with AI using a brand new software called 11 Labs. Now this AI is the most up-to-date and advanced audio software on AI. It has been published. We will pay. You can even mix your voice with this software. Just know that if you want to have your voice in there, you just plug in the script and you do that. As you can see, we've got the script. So you can voice all your videos using this AI. You just need to make your video with copyright-free photos and video. But we don't, because I don't know how to edit video and you probably don't either. You can go here to Fiverr and do these particular things. Right here, I'm going to show you with these particular filters, you can find the cheapest video editor that does the job at the high quality. So what you're going to want to do is go to budget and then put 20 for a video and go to the most recent ones. Below they have no comments and you can negotiate with them and complete your projects.